Hey everyone, Brent here with Akhurst. Today we're diving into our second episode of our Quick Tips Series, with our topic being molders. I'm going to cover 3 tips that will help you reduce your downtime and keep you running smoothly. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, create a daily startup checklist. A simple routine helps make sure that nothing gets missed and can catch small problems before they turn into costly repairs. If you'd like a copy of our checklist, make a comment below. One of the points, ensure that the cutter head turns freely. It's really important to clean the front and the back of the machine to avoid any buildup on mechanical parts, limit switches, or sensors. Check your bed lubrication levels and make sure everything is functioning properly. Now let's talk about tip number 2. Always verify that the material size matches your machine setup. Incorrect material is one of the biggest causes of crashes and machine damage. Our last tip of the day, keep your machine clean. Referring back to the checklist, make sure that all the loose tools and material are removed. Dust and chips should be cleaned from the front to the back of the machine, and any buildup in the ducting should be cleared. As you can see, the back of the machine is very easy to access. So, routine cleaning helps prevent unnecessary issues, improves performance, and keeps your machine up and running safely and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in. If we can support you in any way, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you on the next one.